Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayowa, and today I'm going to be talking about 3 fashion trends I so can't wait to see disappear. Now, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, now is the time to do so. Please hit the subscribe button, tap the like button, and also turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my new videos when I post them. So number 1, the waist snatched stroke corset style movements. This is the most important trend I so can't wait to see go away, because oh my gosh, corsets are so uncomfortable. I don't know how people manage to wear them. Like, why would I want to put myself through that kind of torture? I see lots of people wear those things, and just from looking at their pictures, you can tell that they almost cannot breathe. Like, we are not in Bridgerton, no, and this is not the Met Gala. So why would you want to put yourself through all of that? Because for me, especially when I go to a wedding party, I'm especially going there for the food. So anything that is going to restrict me from fulfilling that expectation of eating lots of delicacies, I don't want it. So since the corset trend started, I've only made one for myself, and even that one I've never worn it before. Although I do not have an aversion towards making corsets for anybody, so if you love them, that's perfectly fine. But in my own opinion, I'm just talking about my own self, like what I would really like. I would not really like to put myself through something that is going to make me feel uncomfortable. This is the one I made for myself since 2020, and I've never worn it, not for once since then. Apart from not even liking corsets, you see these lines that we use as like a fashion bit. You can see that my own lines are like hidden in the lining part, but for some people they put them like right in front of the actual dress. That is what I actually don't also like about the corset trend. Although I know that a lot of designer dresses like contain corset, they have corsets like built into them, and that is really like designer couture dresses. And those kind of dresses, they are like once in a blue moon dresses. They're dresses that you like wear for once in a blue moon event, and really that is what I feel corset should be for. This is just my personal opinion. So yeah, corset trend, disappear please. Now, the number 2 trend I will so like to talk about also today is the asoebi culture. Now, while I don't ever see this trend going away, because like it's part of our culture as Africans, and for Nigerians in particular, the asoebi culture like is part of our culture. So what I would just like to see improved with the asoebi culture is I think we should start thinking about how to diversify the type of fabrics we use, like instead of always using laces and stuff. So I just think we should like consider using like other fabrics, because I don't know about you, but when I get an asoebi fabric and I make one for myself, after wearing the asoebi to that particular event or wedding or whatever, I never ever wear those dresses again. They become like obsolete pieces that just end up like down my wardrobe, that I don't ever get to wear again. And even if you think okay, maybe a bride comes now and then the bride says, okay, my asoebi color for my wedding is like burnt orange and blah blah blah, and they bring a burnt orange lace. The problem is that when you make that burnt orange lace, somebody else, another bride, is going to still say, okay, my asoebi lace is burnt orange, and you probably won't be able to wear that burnt orange lace that you got from one person. You won't be able to wear it to the other person's event, just for the sake of uniformity and all of that. And apart also from all of that, the typical lace fabric is expensive, and I know that a lot of couples like use it as a money making scheme for their wedding. So apart from the actual amount they buy that lace from the market, they will still add their own special profit to the price they're going to give the fabric to you. So, and apart from that, you're also going to like give that lace to somebody that is going to sew for you, and then the charges, like the amount you're spending on that particular dress, it keeps piling up and piling up, and the economy in Nigeria is not so friendly. So me, I don't think I would really like to keep spending my money like that. But if we diversify these fabrics, and then we start using like Ankara or Adire, even, in fact, if you give me an Adire fabric for 10k or an Ankara fabric for 10k or 15k, even 15k is even asking for too much, but 10k should still be all right. I can buy like in a month, if two brides have a wedding in two brides have a wedding in 1 month, I can still afford to like say, okay, let me buy it. But if it's lace fabric that is like 30k and I have to buy like 2 laces in 1 month, no. Inside which account am I going to write down? So yeah, that is what I think about the Asoebi culture. In fact, the third and final trend I so can't wait to see go away is the sheer stroke nude net trend. Now, I don't especially have a problem with this trend, but one problem I do have with it is that after making a sheer net dress for yourself, you are almost never going to wear it again, because those styles, those outfits are quite revealing. And while I'm not opposed to like revealing whatever you feel comfortable revealing about your body, I just feel after wearing it to wherever it is you want to wear it to, you are never going to wear it again, because it's not church friendly, it's not somebody's daddy's 70th birthday friendly, it's not somebody's mommy's 80th birthday friendly. So why are we making dresses or styles like that? Like, it's not anything friendly, so why make it? And for me in particular, I am more of a pioneer of a timeless fashion trend. I'm really about making clothes based on things like clothes, styles, or outfits that you can always wear and wear and wear and wear till you are tired of wearing them. And you will sometimes see that play out in some of my tutorials, because I think I have a tutorial that I made where a tutorial I did where I refashioned a dress that I found out I only wore once. I had to like refashion it into something more everyday friendly, because it's really about for me, it's really about timeless fashion, sustainable fashion. That is things that have great rewear value. So 2 years time, as far as you don't get bigger, you can always pick up your dress, your favorite dress, and you can still wear them. So if you haven't seen that tutorial, you can check it out right here. I think I refashioned a dress into like a kind of cold shoulder crop top. So if you would like to learn how to do that, like how to make a cold shoulder blouse, you check it out. And that's it for today, guys. What fashion trends are you really tired of seeing? What fashion trends can't you wait like to just see go out of the fashion scene? So please type it in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. And guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now by tapping the subscribe button right below your screen and tapping the like button if you found this video interesting. I'm sure you found this interesting. You can also tap the notifications bell right beside the subscribe button, just so you don't miss any of my tutorials or other vlog episodes when I post them. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.